All right, let's find this limit here. So limit as x goes to 0 of 1 minus cosine x divided by x. All right, we'll do this in a way different. We're not going to multiply. Instead, we'll transform. So we got to begin with the following relationship. Check this out over here. So we'll do here 1 minus cosine x. Okay, we want to graph that. So that looks like this. Let me zoom in around the origin a little bit. It's kind of interesting. So it looks like this, 1 minus cosine x. And now we're going to do an identity for it that says 2 sine squared x over 2. So 2 sine squared x over 2. And notice that these two graphs overlap perfectly. That's kind of important because that means 1 minus cosine x is the same as 2 sine squared of x over 2 for all x. So why does this matter? Because it means the top can be replaced with this expression with signs. So that will give us the limit now as x goes to 0 of 1 minus cosine x over x becoming the limit as x goes to 0 of 2 sine squared of x over 2, this whole thing divided by x. Now this may not be too obvious, so next we're going to do this. Set u equal to x over 2. When x goes to 0, then x over 2 here also goes to 0. So that's important because remember that x over 2 is equal to u. So by saying x over 2 is going to 0, you're saying u is going to 0. So this allows us to recreate the limits. So it says over here not x anymore, but u. The limit as u is going to 0 of 2 sine squared u, because we're setting u equal to be x over 2. What goes in the denominator now? Take a look. Well, you have u equals x over 2, so 2u equals x. So you're going to put 2u over here now. All right, so we're going to have the limit, again, as u is going to 0. The 2's cancel, and you have sine squared u over u. But this can be broken apart into just the limit, again, as u is going to 0, of sine u times sine u over the u in the denominator. Let me fix that. There you go. So then this is going to be the limit. U is going to 0. Sine of u times limit with another u going to 0 of a sine of u over u. But now the first one is just sine of u. So that's just 0. Whatever, there's a u here. Not that important. You get the picture. And then this is times 1. So you have 0 as the value of the limit. So it's another way to do this famous limits. Anyway, if you like this type of video, please be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.